Okay, now we got those target notes, and we got this. So if you're really good with your pentatonic patterns, and hopefully by now you're pretty comfortable with pentatonic patterns, at least on the first few strings. This is really important. We never stop here. Again, these are like isolated exercises. They're almost going to sound country if you do them correct. By the way, country, I don't know what you think about country in general, but those guitar players are unbelievably amazing. Okay, so you got this. What I mean by target notes is this note. Those are the notes we kind of want to land on. So you can do all this stuff. Alright, you can do that. Here's another chord tone. So for this shape, now here's a trick. That's your root, right? We're doing an A blues. This note's an A. It's very common to play these two notes in a blues, but you don't just do that. That's boring. That's the Wonder Bread way. So it's very common to, here's like a sixth. Here's your 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1. It's very common to take this to the second, push this up a whole step, so you're hitting this note, and then put your pinky on the E, which is the fifth, that kind of thing. That's very, very common. So you can do that kind of thing for the one chord, whether you want to think of it as C shape, or the triad on top, or doubling the top note. Alright, and then for the 4 chord, I'm doing the same thing. I've got 1, 2, I'm bending up to the 3rd. And it's very common to take the 7th and bend it up to the root. And resolve to the root. Kind of a combination. That kind of blues thing. That's the flatted 3rd, 4, flat 5, walk back down. That kind of thing. Alright, so you're still thinking major in that. Back to the 1. And then for this guy, you got all the G-shaped things you can shake a stick at. One of my favorites is if you bar these, you take this note here, that's your second. It's a big country thing. You're doing this. Super cool. So back to the forward. And then this guy. Another cool blues lick is you just do a little box here. And you go. Alright, so there's a ton of stuff you can grab in there. Next, what we're going to do down the road is get you going in your scales and thirds, and those are powerful, especially like for this E shape. You do this thing. Alright, we're going to get into those later too, but for now I'm going to play an example of what it might sound like to do a half decent blues using these patterns, and that'll be the 4th video.